Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp business app. So at first just install the WhatsApp business app, and after installing it just create an account in WhatsApp business app, and after doing that just go to the WhatsApp business app. It is very similar to WhatsApp. Here you can see all of your contacts are here. Now just click on a contact like this, and here you can see the bottom here message option. By clicking here you can message the other person like this, and by clicking this option here it will be sent to the other person. Here you can see in the top right there are a video call and voice call option. If you click this option and other person pick the call, you can talk to the other person in video call and voice call. Here you can see this icon here, this link icon. If you click this, you can send to the other person some document or video or photos from your gallery. And in the top right three dot icon here, by clicking this, here you can see there are a lot of options here and you can use it. Like this wallpaper, you can select wallpaper by clicking it. Here you can see mute notification, the middle one. By clicking it you can mute this person's notification. Go back, and here you can see in the top middle option here status, click on it. Here you can see you can put your status. By clicking this it will show your gallery and you can choose the status to upload. And in the top right here you can see calls option. By clicking it you can see which person called you in WhatsApp. You can also create a call link, just clicking it. And in the top right there is a search bar here. By clicking this you can search for a contact. By clicking this option you can also add contact in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's how you can use WhatsApp business app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.